I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed.
Welcome back to Once Upon a Passport. We're A&J, where we review luxury travel, elevated stays, and unforgettable experiences to help you decide what's truly worth it. Today, we're at Hotel Arts, a Ritz-Carlton property in Barcelona, Spain, to answer one simple question. Does Hotel Arts deliver the luxury experience you'd expect from a Ritz-Carlton? The Hotel Arts knows how to make a first impression. From the moment we arrived, we were greeted by the bell staff and our luggage was carefully whisked away on a covered cart. As we made our way through the corridor, one detail immediately stood out: the hotel's signature scent. Even before stepping inside, that beautiful aroma welcomed us and set the tone for everything that followed. From the ground floor elevator lobby, we rode up into a stunning reception area filled with fresh flowers, curated artwork, and timeless elegance. While checking in, we were offered a choice of champagne, fresh juice, or flavored water. A thoughtful welcome that instantly made us feel like valued guests. After checking in, we headed straight up to check out our room. The bathroom was without question the star of the room. Modern, elegant, and incredibly spacious. We especially appreciated the thoughtful bath amenities. Everything you might need was already waiting for you. And then there was the beautiful soaking tub, complete with bath salts, just inviting you to slow down. On the other side of the room was a spacious walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head and luxurious bath products already stocked inside. Even the closets felt intentional. There were, of course, the signature robes, ample hanging space, lots of drawers, and even slippers. The beverage station was one of the most thoughtfully stocked we've seen. Premium spirits, coffee and tea, and even a freshwater tap. The minibar offered plenty of options if you wanted to purchase a snack or a drink without having to leave the room. We chose the room with the 2 double beds, and after a long travel day, they were incredibly comfortable. Floor-to-ceiling windows filled the room with natural light. What impressed us the most wasn't any one feature. It was how intentionally everything came together. The textures, the fabrics, the materials. It didn't feel like a standard hotel room. It felt like a beautifully curated boutique retreat. Earning a score of 5 out of 5.
Hello.
Room service is easily a 5 out of 5 for us. The food arrived quickly, the menu offered a wonderful selection of Spanish dishes, and every detail, from the elegant presentation cart to the thoughtful service, made it feel like a true dining experience, instead of simply a meal in our room. The attention to detail and genuine care made it one of the most memorable room service experiences we've ever had.
I decided to wear my red swimsuit and cover up in honor of all the red roses around this property. Okay, so I'm heading back from the pool. It was really nice. I wish that the chairs were a little bit higher so you could see the ocean from there. But nice and relaxing. Uh-oh. I will say that the service for me at the pool was not great. They had so many servers out there that would, you could order from a drink menu or regular menu, and there were tons of servers out there walking around. They were very attentive, but nobody came and asked me if I wanted to order anything, needed anything. So that was kind of a bummer because the rest of the service at the hotel has been amazing. But not the experience I had at the pool, but everybody has an off day, I'm sure.
The pool is a 4 out of 5 for us. The views are incredible. There are plenty of comfortable loungers and fresh towels, and the pool bar offers a great selection of drinks and light bites delivered right to your chair. Our only hesitation comes down to consistency. During our first visit, no one stopped by to offer service. On our second visit, the experience was completely different, with several team members checking in to see if there was anything that we needed. While the service certainly improved, the inconsistency keeps it from earning that perfect score. Overall, it's a beautiful pool, and we'd happily spend another afternoon relaxing. After getting a bite to eat and spending time at the pool, it was time to explore the neighborhood. Location is a 5 out of 5 for us. The Hotel Arts strikes the perfect balance between relaxation and convenience. Set along Barcelona's waterfront, it offers easy access to the beach, the Marina, and the city's vibrant dining scene, while still feeling like a peaceful retreat at the end of the day. The lobby bar looked like the perfect place to unwind with a cocktail and soak in the atmosphere. But after a very long day, we couldn't wait to retreat to our room. Sometimes the greatest luxury isn't doing more, it's slowing down. And this room made that an easy choice. After one of the best night's sleep we'd had, thanks to the incredibly comfortable beds, it was time to let the sunshine in and start the day. After a quick refresh and a hot shower, breakfast was calling our names. It was time to see what the Hotel Arts had to offer. The hotel offers several beautiful spaces to enjoy breakfast. each with its own atmosphere. The open-air terrace was especially inviting, offering a relaxed setting and beautiful views.
Look at how gorgeous this space is. Did you just imagine having breakfast out here?
But for us, there was only one choice. We made our way to Marina, where local flavors, fresh ingredients, and a beautiful waterfront setting made for the perfect start to another day in Barcelona. The Marina Rooftop Restaurant is a 5 out of 5 for us. The design felt effortlessly coastal, with native plants, fragrant herbs, and citrus trees creating a space that felt connected to Barcelona. Every dish celebrated local ingredients and regional flavors, making the experience feel unmistakably Spanish. It was the kind of place we found ourselves wanting to linger just a little longer. What stood out the most about Hotel Arts wasn't one big moment, it was the thoughtful details woven throughout our entire stay. From the moment we arrived, even our luggage was transported on covered carts, adding an extra touch of care and discretion. And the thoughtful surprises like chocolates delivered to the room were gentle reminders that someone had considered the guest experience from beginning to end.
Experience will be both memorable and enjoyable. Kindly note that our team remains at your disposal should you require any assistance during your stay. Best regards, the in-room dining team, extension 606.
Oh, that's so cute.
Room service wasn't simply delivered. Every dish was carefully arranged and presented, creating an experience that felt worthy of the hotel's restaurant.
I am obsessed with this blanket. We ordered blankets to be brought up, and usually you get those like giant ones that, are not very aesthetic at all. This is the blanket that was brought up. How gorgeous is this? And it coordinates with the chairs that we have here, right? So the back of the chair, the blanket.
I love it. I'm obsessed.
On the rooftop at Marina, blankets were available for guests as the sea breeze picked up. It was a simple, practical touch that encouraged you to linger a little longer instead of heading inside. At the pool, complimentary sunscreen was always within reach, one less thing to think about while enjoying the afternoon. It's those little moments of care that stayed with us long after checkout and made Hotel Arts feel truly exceptional. So, does Hotel Arts deliver the luxury experience you'd expect from a Ritz-Carlton? Absolutely. Between the thoughtful service, beautifully designed spaces, exceptional dining, and countless little details, Hotel Arts didn't just meet our expectations, it exceeded them. If you're planning a trip to Barcelona and looking for a luxury hotel, we'd recommend putting Hotel Arts at the top of your list. It's the kind of place we'd book again without a second thought.